Are there ever times when you wish you had an extra hand? Guess what? I didn't have to turn the light switch. Leviton has an occupancy sensor that turned it on for me, and I love that for a laundry room. Today I'm going to show you how to install your own occupancy sensor from Leviton so that you can make your laundry room hands-free or any room that you don't want to flip the switch. When potential buyers look at this house, they're going to notice the floor first because it's absolutely gorgeous, right? But I also want them to notice that I put in an occupancy sensor by Leviton. And the nice thing about that is when you have your hands full, you don't have to fumble for a switch. You might have to fumble over the door, but that's another issue.
Grab these tools to get started. Before installing the motion sensor, turn off the power at the circuit breaker to your switch, then test to make sure that the power is off. Remove the Decora motion sensor from the package and read the instructions. Strip 5/8 inch of the insulation off the wires. You don't need to bend your wires into shepherd's hooks. The wires can be inserted straight under the screws on the Leviton motion sensor. Always connect your ground wire first. This is usually the bare or green wire. The neutral wires should be connected to each other. Next, connect the load wire to the black terminal. Finally, connect the remaining wire or the line wire to the red terminal. Gently fold and tuck the wires into the wall box. Make sure the word top is facing up on your sensor. Drive the screws into the top and bottom of the motion sensor. Turn the power back on and test your motion sensor. If it works, great, attach the cover to the motion sensor. Follow the instructions to make any adjustments to the length of time the lights stay on and the motion sensing field. Enjoy the hands-free control of your Leviton Decora Smart Motion Sensor.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.